Кыргыз элим, дуа кылып туруңуздар, буюрса иншаллах бел курдалып кетебиз. Hey guys, my name is Nurbek Murzaev. My nickname Venom. I represent Bangtao Muay Thai and MMA. I was born in Kyrgyzstan, in the small city of Sulukta. My goal in MMA is simple: reach the UFC. Nobody scares me because they humans, me too. My presence in these tournaments is already straight. I will win in fashions, good fashions. I'm all-rounder. I can knock out in the stand-up or finish with submissions. My weakness, I think it's my kind heart and cakes. I so like good food. Fight in the striker MMA means a lot. It's big chance to show my skills and represent my country in a big stage. He can expect anything from a knockout to submissions or blood fight. Don't blink, guys. Hey guys, thank you for your support. It motivates me every day. Кыргыз элим, дуа кылып туруңуздар, буюрса иншаллах бел курдалып кетебиз. I'll be waiting for you in the octagon. Just come in cage.